Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here, and today we're going to show you where the washer fluid location is on your 2015 Jeep Wrangler. We're going to pop the hood, and on Jeeps there is no inner latch or cable. There's two hood latches on the external part, and then right in the center here there's a lock latch. Just slide it over to the right. Then you have your hood rod. It goes right in this marked hole right there. The washer fluid tank is located driver's side or in front of the master cylinder, right up here on the front fender. It's pretty clearly marked. It says washer fluid only. Has the windshield with a little squirter on there. Just pop it open and you top off your washer fluid. Make sure the cap goes down tight and you're all set. To latch the hood on your Jeep, you just line up those two prongs, put it in your palm, and click it over. You've got two hooks on both sides. So bring it up, line it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.